Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Morph transition in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to use it, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Transitions tab. And then in between the two slides, we're just going to select Morph on this list. And then it should appear up here when we have a little transition. So select whatever slide you want, I guess, that comes after the transition, and then you would select Morph. And then if we were to go ahead and actually preview this slideshow, you would notice that it would deploy the Morph transition, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.